Hello students, let's start the scientific method of measuring time and establishing age, that is dating. Okay, we are actually measuring time when we talk about today's date or day of the week, etc. We have seen that there are various methods of measuring time. These methods allow us to identify a particular day, month or year with respect to an earlier or later day, month or year. For example, if it is June, then we know that the earlier month was May and the next one will be July. If today is the 10th of June, then we can tell that tomorrow will be 11th of June and yesterday was the 9th of June. Thus, when we measure time, we actually measure its length. Look, today is 5 August, 5th August, okay, 5th August 2020. Today is Wednesday. What we said actually, we talk about the time, the exact time of today. Time is continuous, time will never stop. Your birthday also tells us about particular date, okay. If your birthday is on 5th January on 2009, okay, then we can understand about the exact time of your birth from the only these three numbers, that is day, date, year, month and year, okay. It is August, okay. See one more example. It is August month. Which will be the next month? It will definitely September. Every year after August there is September. Today is 5th August and yesterday was 4th August. It is definite. 5th ऑगस्टच्या आधी कधीही दुसरा कुठला वार डेट येणार नाही, ती 4th ऑगस्टच येणार. ऑगस्टच्या आधीचा महिना हा कायम जुलैच असणार. बिकॉज दिस इज द मेजर्स, दिस इज युनिट्स टू मेजर द टाइम. दिस इज मेथड्स ऑफ सायंटिफिक मेथड ऑफ मेजरिंग टाइम. After 24 hours date will change, but which date? Today is if 5th August. After 5th August चे जे 24 hours आहेत ते फिनिश झाल्यानंतर which date will come? 6th August. This is definite. पुन्हा परत 4th August येईल का? नाही. तर 5th नंतर 6thच येणार आणि ऑगस्ट नंतर सप्टेंबरच येणार. आता समजा आत्ता जर 2 वाजले आहेत, इफ आत्ता जर 2च वाजले तर 1 तासाने अजून किती वाजतील? 3च वाजणार. 1 तासाने 4 वाजतील का? नाही. आणि 1 तास म्हणजे किती? 60 मिनिट. सो these all are seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks. हे सगळे काय आहे? मेजरिंग युनिट्स आहेत टाइम मेजर करायचे. and this is the method of scientific method of measuring time. Thus, when we measure time, it actually measures its length. When 1 second, 60 seconds a minute, 60 minutes 1 hour, 24 hours 1 day, 7 days 1 week. Like this is the measuring of length, time measurement. The event before the beginning of common era are mentioned as having occurred before the common era. Information about some of these events can only be obtained with the help of evidence buried under the ground. These evidence is usually in the form of broken man-made artifacts and fallen structures. With the help of these remains and using scientific methods, we can determine the time of the events that took place thousands of years ago. Okay. The events happened before the common era said as events before common era. Information about these can be obtained with the help of some evidence. ह्या बिफोर कॉमन एरा बद्दल आपल्याला कशी माहिती मिळेल तर सम एव्हिडन्स, काहीतरी पुरावे पाहिजेत. एव्हिडन्स मीन्स पुरावे, प्रूफ्स. we must need some evidence for the study of these era before common era. And which are these evidence? Their evidence are mostly in the form of broken artifacts or fallen structures. Fallen structures म्हणजे काय? broken artifacts म्हणजे काय? तर तुटलेली भांडी, तुटलेली खेळणी किंवा त्या काळातली तुटलेली भांडी, खेळणी किंवा फॉलन स्ट्रक्चर्स, दॅट इज स्ट्रक्चर्स म्हणजे बिल्डिंग, किल्ले हे पडलेले असतील जुन्या काळातले, त्यातून आपल्याला जुन्या काळाविषयी माहिती मिळू शकते. We can determine time and situation of the event with the help of scientific method. Okay, we can determine time and the situation of the events that happened in long years ago with the help of scientific methods and the remains of that time. Okay, remains. There are many layers of soil deposited one above the other under the surface of the ground. The period of these layers and of the remains found in them cannot be stated definitely in terms of dates. However, a rough estimate of how many years ago they existed can certainly be made using scientific methods such as carbon 14 analysis. Methods such as carbon 14 analysis, tree rings analysis, that is dendrochronology, etc. These methods are known as dating techniques. As the event happened before so many years, many layers of soil deposited on the ground. So we cannot say exact period of soil and remains under that soil. Okay, so scientific methods like carbon 40 analysis. Carbon 40 analysis is the analysis by which we can understand the age of soil. ती माती किती जुनी आहे ते समजून घेण्यासाठी कोणती टेस्ट केली जाते? कार्बन 40 analysis. And tree ring analysis are the dating techniques to estimate the period. ट्री रिंग ॲनालिसिस म्हणजे काय? ट्री रिंग म्हणजे झाडाच्या खोडावरती काही रिंग सारखे डिझाईन दिसत असते, त्याच्यावरनं त्या झाडाचं वय शोधून काढता येतं, त्याला म्हणायचं ट्री रिंग ॲनालिसिस. त्याच्यासाठी खूप अभ्यास करावा लागतो, तुमच्या माझ्यासारखे नाही कोणी सांगू शकत. that is tree ring analysis. Thus we can learn how old the layer and the remains in them. Okay, but using these dating techniques we learn how old the layers of soil and the remains found in them are. Then we can determine the period approximately. For example, if an earthen pot is estimated to be 5000 years old with the help of dating technique, we can say that the earthen pot dates must roughly to 3000 before common before Christ. Then we can conclude that the period of culture to which the pot belongs must be around 3000 before Christ. ओके, समजा जर ह्या टेक्निकनी डेटिंग टेक्निकनी जी सायंटिफिक मेथड आहे त्याच्यानुसार आपल्याला असं कळलं की अर्दन पॉट इज एस्टिमेटेड टू बी 5000 इयर्स ओल्ड. जर आपल्याला एक भांडं सापडलेलं आपल्याला म्हणजे आपल्याला नाही सायंटिस्टना एक भांडं सापडलं आहे मातीचं मोडकं तोडकं आणि ते डेटिंग टेक्निकनी सिस्टमॅटिक मेथडनी त्यांना असं समजलं आहे की ते 5000 वर्ष जुनं आहे. तर ते नक्की कधीचं आहे हे काढता येईल का? 5 वर्ष जुनं हे आपल्याकडे ह्या डायग्रॅमवरनं सांगता येईल. 5000 आपण सध्या इथे आहे, समजा आत्ता जर ते सापडलं भांडं जे 5000 वर्ष जुनं आहे असं कळलं तर ते कधीचं असेल तर ह्याच्या मागचे 5000 वर्ष शोधायचे. इथून 2000 पासून इथपर्यंत 1000, इथपर्यंत 2000 वर्ष झाली, इथपर्यंत 3000, इथपर्यंत 4000 आणि इथपर्यंत 5000 वर्ष झालेली ते भांडं मे बी 3000 बिफोर क्रिस्ट और बिफोर कॉमन एराचं असेल असं आपण कन्क्लुजन काढू शकतो. ओके, I hope you all understood this lesson.